Hey guys, welcome back. I am coming on today to create a layout using this Photoplay kit. It's called Photoplay North Pole. Is it Photoplay North Pole Trading Company? Is that what they call it? Yes, and it is so cute. And I'm also going to be using, it's from the ScrapRoom, by the way. And I'm going to be using the Freaky Fast Friday, December 2021 formula with that. But let me first show you what I have in my handy dandy kit here. It's a page kit. I have two pieces of textured white. I've got this amazing aqua color. Here's my second piece of white. I have this piece here that is called Noel with diagonal stripes. I find that to be amazing looking with this super cool starlight pattern on this side. Next I have, this is called Be Joyful, and we have all kinds of gorgeous 3x4 cards that you can cut as icons. You can do whatevs. And the back is a gorgeous red plaid. And then finally, this page is so cool. It's called Frosty with all of these snowflakes in just the most gorgeous holiday colors, as well as this tone-on-tone deep green. And so I have Frosty, Be Joyful, and Noel. And then for the embellishments for this page kit, I have this 12x12 element sticker sheet. Awesome. So I will clearly be able to get my title out of one of these sets of words, and I think that's super fun. I like that we've got these gorgeous ornaments. I mean, look at all the ornaments. I could do this. Maybe I need the ornaments to be hanging down. That would be super cute. Anywho, the Freaky Fast Friday formula is as follows. Here it is right here. I need to cut a piece 6 1/4 by 4 1/4. Great. 5 1/4 by 4 1/4. 12 by 2, 2 by 2, and 7 by 2 1/2. Interesting. Now, all of that is very interesting, but let me show you. I have this photo right here. This is my daughter and my youngest pup last Christmas. I love this photo. I've scrapped it in color and I'm scrapping it in black and white. I think it is one of those perfect iconic Christmas photo. They're in front of the fireplace. It's lit. My puppy is not pleased, although that's just his grump face. He always has grumpy face. It's true. So what I'm going to do next is just cut these pieces up. Now, we have to pick a background, which is hard because I find all of this to be incredibly gorgeous. So what do I want? This is what I usually do. I'm like, what do I want to be my biggest piece? And I have a big hinker to cut some of this out. This would be a great piece to have as a major background. Guys, how am I going to pick? It's like picking. Okay, I'm going to have one of these be my backgrounds. Okay, great. Now that I have that chosen, that's fine. So what do I want my largest piece to be of these? Oh my goodness. All right, I want this to be the matte on one of my backgrounds. The reason why is I love a diagonal stripe to be able to come in and matte a layout with. Now, do I want this? It's a very bold color. Or, oh, but wait, if I use this, it's going to allow my other pattern papers to shine like crazy. Guys, how am I supposed to make these decisions? Okay, I'm going to cut all my pieces because all I'm doing is faffing about, and I'll be back in a jiffy. So I cut out all of my pieces. Kind of an interesting combo. I try not to think too hard into how I'm going to cut them all out, and I just go for it. Now, I chose this aqua piece as my background. I've gutted out this gorgeous diagonal stripe so that I can go ahead and have a matte, and I will scuff up pieces so I have a little white core show through. This is my 12 by 2. This is my, let's see how we did all these. I have a 12 by 2. This is my 6 1/4 by 4 1/4. 5 1/4 by 4 1/4 is this one. Interesting. Don't know what we're doing still. 12 by 2, 2 by 2, and 7 by 2 1/2. And I still have my photo. So part of what I'm wondering is if I should create like a mat for my photo using some of these, oh, I like that, these fun patterns to differentiate. Now I can always add extra, but I'm already liking, oh guys, I like it, it's cute. Look at this idea. All right, that is apparently how quickly we're gonna go through that. Now, I have all of these snowflakes and I wanna cut a bunch up and create a snowflake background. I know I wanna do that. And I know I also love the idea of all of these ornaments hanging down from the top. So I think I have some white and gold twine in my stash. It didn't come with the kit. In my stash to bring that down. And let's see what else I could do. I could use some of these borders and decorate up. Okay, I have an idea. I have an idea where this can go. So I'm gonna scuff all these pieces up with my old school scufferator. And I got that at CHA gosh, 15 years ago. Yes. So I'm going to scuff these pieces up. I like the way this is looking right now. I'm going to get these pieces down, get some twine for my ornaments, detail cut out a bunch of snowflakes to create a background with them. And I'll be back in a minute. So quick check-in time. I took all of the ornaments off of my sticker sheet, and pop them up on a little bit of craft foam, and I want to scuff up the edges a little bit so they look like my cluster. I also picked out this sticker already because it's just so darn cute. I want to make sure that I use it. I don't know if it's my title, not quite sure yet. Now ooh, I do like this for my title too, this "We wish you a merry, bright, joyful, peaceful holiday." That would be a really cute kind of Christmas tree embellishment going up. I don't know. I have to figure out what I'm doing with this yet. I do have all of these pieces right here are all attached down except for my photo. So let's go ahead and get the photo on. And as you see, my photo is up on a little bit of foam. And I think that would be super cute to have that right about there. Great. Now, I told you I wanted to scuff up my little ornaments, and I'm going to have them hang from this white and gold twine that I just have sitting in my stash. So let me work on that because I'm gonna have to tuck them underneath this aqua pattern paper. Now I also did cut out a few snowflakes. I was gonna do the whole background as snowflakes, was my original plan, but once I put my ornaments down, I kind of liked the look of them just on the aqua. So I'm not sure what I'm doing with these yet, but I have them as embellishments. So let me get the rest of these pieces down and then we will work on finishing up with all the little decorative bits. So I think I'm gonna put my little snowflakes here. I just thought I'd show you. And I do have all of my little ornaments attached down with some twine. I just need to twist that around and grab a little bit of washi and tack that down. So now is the fun decorating bits, and I have to decide on my title. It should not be this hard. It's just so pretty that I kind of want to use everything. So my choice right now, I like Santa Claus is Coming to Town. And since I keep looking at it and keep wanting to use it, I think, guys, did I have a piece I was supposed to use and I have not used yet? No, that's my 2x2. Oh, I cut this. That's what I did because it was supposed to be a 12x12. And I need to figure out how to use it. That's what I have to do. I have to use this little box somewhere. I think I'll just tuck it in right there. It's fine. Okay, I'm like, what was that doing sitting here? What did I forget? Yikes. All right, so we'll just do a little peeky box right here. There we go. Great. And then that will give yet more contrast for my little Santa Claus is Coming to Town piece. Need to distress that up. So that is apparently going to be my title. Great. And guys, I know just because I'm distressing it, there's not a right or a wrong way. Just like do what you're feeling. I happen to think right now I'm in a big phase of it. I'm wondering if maybe I should put it here. Oh, it's okay, Blue. Because I want to do this tree going up. All right, I think that's going to be the ticket on this. So let's go ahead and get my snowflakes that I detail cut out of our pattern paper. let's go ahead and do that. I want to pop, that's already popped up on a little bit of foam, so I have that, and I'm going to go ahead and build up this piece right here. Now I'm wondering, yeah, I'm going to scuff it up. It's going to take a minute, but I'm going to build this same tree right here going up the side, and I'll be back in a jiffy. So I have all of those pieces on. I have my title, which is kind of small, or is this my title? I don't know. I just knew I had to use this bright white, cool little Christmas tree piece. Now let's see if there's anything else we want to get onto this layout. Now it's really pretty. Oh, and I did cut one more snowflake because I wanted a bit of a visual triangle around my photo. So that worked. Ooh, look at this little peppermint. And where is, one of the things I like to do if I have a sticker that has the color all the way to the edge is use the world's oldest crafting emery board to give it dimension going that way. So I think I'll pop that right up in the center of our little snowflake because I like all the things. I love all of these pieces. And now I have a little bit of dimension there. That's fun. Let's see what else we have that would be cute to put in here. Ooh, look at the greenery. Oh, let me get some of the greenery in. So maybe I can give it a little bit of a trim on that bottom piece so I can tuck that in, although it would be really pretty here too. Is there a bigger piece of greenery that I can put right there? Oh, I see one. I have an idea. Okay, so I have a little bit of greenery there. Though it's kind of green on green, we're going with it. Now what I saw that I thought might be kind of neat is there's this wreath. And what if I take a nice, like, just across the way kind of chunk of it and tuck it in. Did I even attach this down? Yes, I did. It just didn't stay. All right, so let's get this wreath down. That's pretty. Put that snowflake back up. Awesome. So yeah, at this point, I'm just going around. I'm decorating little bits, seeing what will work, what else I can get on here because I love all of the things. Ooh, here's another peppermint, guys. We have another peppermint. Let's do, and I'm sorry, I know that some people hate the sound of an emery board. My mother's one of them, so I get it. She freaks out, which is, you know, something kind of funny because I've been known to do it on purpose to her. Never mind, let's not talk about that. Ooh, a little bit of greenery here. So we can have some greenery coming out from my snowflake, which doesn't necessarily make any sense. I just like the green stuff. So, and it's also bringing all of the colors of that collection around there. This nice little tiny yellow star. Maybe I'll put that in the middle of my peppermint. What else? What else? So I have greenery, greenery, and do a little bit more greenery. Oh, I like that So Very Happy that's up there too. So I'll put some coming out of this little section to keep building out those clusters. Is there anything? Ooh, look at this poinsettia. Guys, I get too excited. You guys know me. You guys know. This is how I roll. So what did I think looked, oh, that was that piece. So this is kind of the same thing. Just bring a little bit of a poinsettia there. Cute little candle. Guys, there's so many things I can keep using, and I love it. And I'm gonna get these little red dots. All right, I'm gonna pull a couple more things, pop them on, and I'll show you my finished layout. I'm just kind of babbling to myself excitedly while I'm doing this, so give me a second and I'll finish right up. All right, so all finished up. I just popped a little star here, 3 of those little berry pieces that you see here. And I do like when my little clustery bits have the dimensions, so I have pieces that aren't fully attached down, meaning I only have adhesive in the center so that we have just a little bit more movement. Makes it a tiny bit more fun. I did put these 3 little berry pieces here, and the 3 little, I don't know, they're little circles, but to me they look a tiny bit like Christmas berries. And I'm gonna do that same technique where I'm gonna scuff them up a little bit, and that's gonna allow us to see some of the white underneath the printed part of the sticker. See, it gives it just a little something something. So that is my fun layout. I think it's fun and cute and whimsical, and I like that my photo is black and white so that it really gets to still be the star of the show. All right, down below I will have the links for the ScrapRoom website, for the blog, as well as the Facebook group. And if you guys have any questions, comments, pop them down, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Bye for now.